Hello everyone, this is Nolan with BMW of Lafayette, and today I'll be giving you a tour of this Alpina XB7. You may be asking, what is an Alpina? How is it different from a normal BMW? Well, I'm glad you asked. The XB7 features a number of bespoke elements exclusive to the XB7, including a sculpted front-end design, unique styling elements on the exterior of the vehicle, including the Alpina text on the front bumper. Moving around, we can also see these beautiful 23-inch wheels. The Alpina features larger brakes. And coming around back, we have some further styling changes and quad exhaust pipes. Now the XB7 is more than just a body kit. It also is considerably more powerful than the standard X7. The engine in this vehicle is capable of producing in excess of 600 horsepower. And to put that power to the ground, the XB7 features a 325 millimeter rear tire. Incredible. Let's take a look inside. The Alpina XB7 distinguishes itself from the competition with a number of bespoke elements inside the cabin, including the Lavellina leather-wrapped steering wheel with green contrast stitching, of course the Alpina logo, and the Alpina exclusive wood trim. You'll notice a number of other upscale things inside, such as the glass controls and also the unique XB7 text on the dashboard. Thanks for taking this tour of the XB7 with me. If you have any questions or need additional information, please contact the sales team at BMW of Lafayette.